everyone! Ever wondered how to turn your photos into stunning videos without spending a dime? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use PixFirst.ai to do just that. PixFirst.ai is a powerful and user-friendly AI tool that transforms your images into dynamic videos in just a few clicks. No more hours of editing or expensive software? First, head over to PixFirst.ai and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see that the interface is super intuitive. Just upload your images by dragging and dropping them into the designated area. Now here's where the magic happens. PixFirst.ai uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze your images and automatically generate a video sequence. You can customize the transitions, add text overlays, and even choose from a variety of music tracks to set the mood. But wait, there's more! You can also apply stunning visual effects to your videos with just a single click. Whether you want a vintage look, a modern vibe, or something totally futuristic, PixFirst.ai has got you covered. Once you're happy with your creation, simply hit the export button. PixFirst.ai will process your video and provide you with a download link. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional quality video ready to share on social media, your website, or anywhere else you like. And the best part? It's completely free! So what are you waiting for? Head over to PixFirst.ai and start creating amazing videos from your images today. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one!